boys and girls. I wanted to come back on here and read you all a story. Now on the cover of this story, I see a big brown bear and some other animal friends. And the title of this story is Bear Snores On. And the author is Karma Wilson. She wrote the words, and Jane Chapman is the illustrator. She drew the pictures. So let's read about this bear and what all happens to him as he is sleeping. All right. I see some woods right here in this picture. I see trees and some snow and a cave with, what's inside that cave? The brown bear. What season do you think it is in this picture? It's winter. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. So he is sleeping through the winter. He's hibernating. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. So when bears hibernate, they don't just sleep at night. When else do they sleep? They sleep through the day too. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. So even though the wind is loud and noisy, he's still sleeping. What do you all see right here? It's a tiny mouse, an itty bitty mouse, pitter, pat, tiptoe, creep, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. So he's cold, so what did he build himself? A small little fire. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop. But does that wake up the bear? No, but the bear snores on. Still sleeping, isn't he? Oh, what animal do you think is going to come into the cave next? The bunny rabbit. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. So a hare is another word for a rabbit. So next is going to come the rabbit. "Oh, mouse," says hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Do you think that's going to wake up the bear? Let's read to find out. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. Oh, next is a badger. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I brought you honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. He's still not waking up, is he, with all that noise? A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm! twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire. Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! What did he do? What did the pepper make him do? He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Does he look very happy? How does he look? Looks angry. Why would he be angry? He was resting so good and he got woke up, so he is not happy. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. He is not happy right now. You've snuck in my lair and you've had all fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. It's a little sad that they all had fun, right? Mouse squeaks. Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. So the mouse is trying to make him feel better. How is the mouse making him feel better? The mouse is offering him some more corn and some more tea. Does that look like that made him happy? Yes. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. So now who is wide awake? Bear is, and now who is sleeping? All of his friends that came to the cave. The end. There's the back of the book. Alright, boys and girls, well, I hope that you enjoy that story, and I hope that you have a great rest of your Monday, and I will see you all soon. Bye, friends.